Friendship forever. I know what's important right now. To have you as a friend. People who make you feel better when you're sad. What a friend. I love you, my friend. You guys, imagine wearing a such jumper like this one I'm putting on and knowing that someone out there saw your design, loved it, and bought it. All the while you're chilling at home like the way I'm chilling at the comfort of my couch right now. That's the power of print on demand. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making money online with it. I'm talking about print on demand. No big budget, by the way. No technical skills. No being an expert or being a graduate. Do you have a master's degree? We don't need that. We just need your ideas, a little time, and a bit of creativity. In today's video, you guys, let me first tell you I'm not a financial guru. I'm not a financial expert. In fact, I'm just a beautiful young lady that is stepping up to tell you that you can use your skills. You can use that smartphone that you have in your hand. You can use the Wi-Fi and the data that you're putting on your phone every day to make money on a daily basis. We are going to talk about print on demand. And print on demand has no strings attached. Anyone can do it. You guys, allow me to say thank you to every individual that comes on and engages my videos. And more especially my special fans. I love you so much, you know yourselves. This month is for us. Without doing ado, let me dive in and I tell you steps on how to make such jumpers, such t-shirts. Because everybody out there is waiting for your work, for your skill. In first step, we're going to look at what is print on demand, by the way. Print on demand, which I abbreviated it as POD, it is a business model where you create a design for products like t-shirts, like my jumper, hoodies, mugs, phone accessories, and even you go and name anything that you want, like a cup. You can see it on the screen. And a company prints and ships it only when someone buys it. So we are talking about whereby the business that you're not going to put any inventory, you're not going to lift your finger. It's on your creativity. That means you don't have no upfront inventory, no packaging, no post office trips, just pure creativity and income on autopilot. When I'm talking about your creativity and autopilot income, I mean, you have to sit down and see, like, you guys, don't you like this, what I'm wearing? I know most of you like it. How did it come? I don't need to have sleepless nights to get such. You know, I appreciate my friends who stood by me. Everybody has his own ups and downs. There's that time that you have a do-die friend who says, I cannot do without you. I'll be standing besides you. So the moment he or she reads it, she'll feel so beautiful. You buy it and send it to your friend, will never forget you. So what you need to do, you guys, you need to create designs. You upload design. Then your customer buys. Company prints and ships. You are seated at the comfort of your home. The second step we're going to look at after you knowing what print on demand is all about is to choose your niche. Me, I decided to choose the niche of hope, of motivation, of money. Those are my three areas because I know most of people are hungry, most people are desperate, most people are pushed on the wall. If they read, and most people have friends who are fake friends. So if you get a friend like mine, you are going to feel so awesome. So on choosing a niche, you don't want to design something for everybody. You should be having an audience. You want to design for somebody. You want to design there's an individual there who is sleeping hungry, but there's something that you can have a touch on his life. So design for someone out there. To choose a niche, for example, if you're a dog lover, you're a bookwormers. We have gym ratters, you know, these people who sleep in gyms. We have best friend, like what I love so much. They have mental health awareness. Anything that people are passionate about. People are looking for money around. People are looking for love. For example, that friendship forever quote, the one you can see on my jumper. We started it very calmly, and I remembered it. How could I do it? So that could be the perfect for a best friend gift for you. Even if you're watching this video and you feel you want it for yourself, please write it in the comment section. The dollars are very small dollars. I sell them at $40 inclusive of the shipments within Africa and Gulf countries. Beyond Africa, the shipment costs are yours. So I've already crossed the deal. Yeah. So the third way, or the third step, it is to create simple designs. Now that you've gotten a niche, you don't have to be a graphic designer to make good designs. No. Use free tools like Canva. This one, I use Canva, by the way. But you can use Canva, you can use Kit to create text-based or image-based designs. In fact, some of the top sellers are just clean text with a relatable quote, like the one the jumper is having right now, the one you've seen on my jumper, the one I'm wearing as I'm making this video. After doing this, you pick a platform. When we're talking about platform, we have platforms which are licensed to do this, and also platforms which also you can use to market and sensitize people about your product. Use marketplace like Redbubble, Teespring, or Zazzle. These already have customers browsing. You just upload your designs and they will ask, there are some platforms that you'll be on hustle to sell your product, but these ones, they already have customers. So go on these 3 platforms and do what you're supposed to do. You create your own store using Etsy, Shopify, and connect it to Printfy. You can connect even to Printful, and even you can connect it to Printfy for printing. And if you're just starting out, Redbubble is a great place to begin with because it is free and it is beginner friendly, and you don't need to bring your own traffic. The traffic is already there. In step 5 of making this print on demand and selling what you love, it is to upload and optimize. What do you mean? There's something in common is upload and optimize. Upload your design, add a clear title, a short but catchy description, and don't forget tags, or you cannot forget keywords. These keywords and tags, they drive traffic. Example, instead of just friend shirt, say best friend or best friend quote jumper. So someone who is looking for something for a best friend is going to look for you, is going to click on what you're doing. Emotional support gift for sad days. This helps your product get found by the right people. So when you're uploading on this platform, please make sure you use the right tags and high optimized ones. Then the step 6 is share to different individuals. This sharing it is optional, by the way, but it can be helpful. You can wait for sales to come organically, or you can give it a boost. How do you give it a boost? You post mockups on Instagram, on Pinterest, or TikTok. Then use free mockups generators like Press It to make your designs look real without actually printing them. I tried this, but it was cool. What a friend quote with caption designs this for all the real ones, you guys. I love my jumper. And how much do you think this person who is doing this, apart from my small money that I'm getting from, how much the platform is making huge amount of money. Now the best here and where you can see is a pro tip, and I'm going to sit on it. If you've reached on this stage without liking this video, without engaging it, please, I don't know why you're not doing it. I want you to stay consistent. Riches, wealth does not come within a day, one day, no. You have to be consistent and you have to love what you're doing. This isn't about going viral overnight. Upload 2 to 3 designs, if not per week, but at least, if not per day, make it per week. Remember, this is your business. Try different niches. Pay attention to what gives viewers or sales viewers to sell or to buy most. If you want to know what people are looking for, especially in your niche, you can use these AI bots. I have told you about ChatGPT and others. Please go there and ask what they are really looking for most. Then here we are, guys. Print on demand lets you turn your words, your thoughts, your creativity, and what you have been going through into something that is inspirational or inspire someone out there. And in turn, you'll earn money while you sleep. Remember that simple friendship quote on a jumper that could be your next bestseller. Remember that. Don't undermine anything. So start today, design something meaningful, put it out there, and watch it make for you money. If you found this video helpful, guys, please don't forget to share it to your friends, even to go ahead and try it. See you in another video. Bye-bye.